as the Jaleb Chowk. Jaleb is the Persian words. The meaning of the Jaleb that it's belong to army. It means earlier time they could use to that court as for attendance of army, army parade, army march. That time they could observe to all activity to this court. This court is called as Diwan-e-Aam. Diwan-e-Aam means this is the hall of public audience as a common conference court of the royal family. This court had been built in 1639 in under ruling period of King Mirza Raja Jai Singh. Almost 400 years old this gate or this hall. This is first hall of India. Is it made of without wall? Have looked at inside of this court. Have totally 48 columns. 16 single piece of white marble, 32 is single piece of sandstone. Have it amazing of this court, all our pillars are standing in an equal line, equal height, in a straight angle, without any fevicol, any of cement, have a nice joint together. How to connect it there? Have to see the top of this column have a center slab of the single piece. Is it slab have the two interlock system? Is it fixed with that special design which is the lotus flower of Franklin elephant, Hindu architecture. But have looked at another one more design is flower and petal. Is it Muslim architecture? Even Maharaja Mansingh was a Hindu king, but Mansingh's sister Jodha Baisi was married to him. That's why he had to use the Hindu and Muslim architecture in this. Those days, center part was specially reserved for royal family, as for the royal person, Maharaja, the rest person as for cabinet, and local public was sit in this courtyard. Then they could attend the all waiting to hear. And pleased to see above this court have some beautiful iron ring is too much old. Earlier time by the help of ring, they was fixed the curtains with so tightly with the different colors. Inside used the carpet. So just think about this kind of the amazing, how there is carpet, curtains, Maharaja, cabinet, local public. That is conference hall. But those days, any of common lady, they could not allow directly in this court due to by parda system. So those days, all local common women, they could go backside of the chamber. Have a look at the such chamber there. They could go backside there, backside of the screen, and another one side, and then anybody could not see the face of them, but they could observe to everything in this. But the royal lady, they could not adjust with the local women. Why? Always they had a proud, we are Maharana. We have a standard. That's why always they will sit backside above this gate in that white balcony. Having a little balcony, have a 3 windows of the white marble. All carving and cutting is it real handed. So this is handwork. So it is amazing work before 400 years back without machine. We could find out this kind of the beautiful design. Is it there? Earlier time.